Most English learners struggle with the difference between the four present tenses. But what if I told you there's a simple pattern that makes it all click in just minutes? Let's break it down together. Present tenses in English. Present simple. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. She reads a book. He watches TV. We play football. They study English. I clean my room. She cooks dinner. He drives to work. We learn English. Present continuous. I'm eating breakfast. I'm drinking coffee. She is reading a book. He is watching TV. We are playing football. They are studying English. I'm cleaning my room. She is cooking dinner. He is driving to work. We are learning English. Present perfect. I have eaten breakfast. I have drunk coffee. She has read a book. He has watched TV. We have played football. They have studied English. I have cleaned my room. She has cooked dinner. He has driven to work. We have learned English. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating breakfast. I have been drinking coffee. She has been reading a book. He has been watching TV. We have been playing football. They have been studying English. I have been cleaning my room. She has been cooking dinner. He has been driving to work. We have been learning English. Past tenses in English. Past simple. I ate breakfast. I drank coffee. She read a book. He watched TV. We played football. They studied English. I cleaned my room. She cooked dinner. He drove to work. We learned English. Past continuous. I was eating breakfast. I was drinking coffee. She was reading a book. He was watching TV. We were playing football. They were studying English. I was cleaning my room. She was cooking dinner. He was driving to work. We were learning English. Past perfect. I had eaten breakfast. I had drunk coffee. She had read a book. He had watched TV. We had played football. They had studied English. I had cleaned my room. She had cooked dinner. He had driven to work. We had learned English. Past perfect continuous. I had been eating breakfast. I had been drinking coffee. She had been reading a book. He had been watching TV. We had been playing football. They had been studying English. I had been cleaning my room. She had been cooking dinner. He had been driving to work. We had been learning English. Future tenses in English. Future simple. I will eat breakfast. I will drink coffee. She will read a book. He will watch TV. We will play football. They will study English. I will clean my room. She will cook dinner. He will drive to work. We will learn English. Future continuous. I will be eating breakfast. I will be drinking coffee. She will be reading a book. He will be watching TV. We will be playing football. They will be studying English. I will be cleaning my room. She will be cooking dinner. He will be driving to work. We will be learning English. Future perfect. I will have eaten breakfast. I will have drunk coffee. She will have read a book. He will have watched TV. We will have played football. They will have studied English. I will have cleaned my room. She will have cooked dinner. I will have driven to work. We will have learned English. Future perfect continuous. I will have been eating breakfast. I will have been drinking coffee. She will have been reading a book. He will have been watching TV. We will have been playing football. They will have been studying English. I will have been cleaning my room. She will have been cooking dinner. He will have been driving to work. We will have been learning English. Subscribe for more videos.